With regards to dental health, receiving the right treatment is vital to ensure a healthy and beautiful smile. The most common dental procedure lots of people need at the end of their lives are dental fillings. Dental fillings help fill in cavities and also help restore the functionality and appearance of teeth that have been damaged. The cost for dental fillings may vary according to where you are in the world. In this short video, we'll look at the differences in costs for dental fillings in Europe as well as those in Turkey and look at the variables that could be causing these variations. Dental filling prices in Europe. In Europe, the price of dental fillings varies according to the place of origin and type of filling material that is used. The average cost of filling a tooth in Europe is ranging between 50 to 200 euros for each tooth. If you live in countries with greater living costs, for example, Switzerland, the price of dental fillings could be greater, often ranging from 300 euros for a tooth. Factors contributing to the pricey nature of dental fillings across Europe comprise the price of labor, materials, and overheads. Furthermore, a number of European countries are governed by strict guidelines and high standards of quality in dental health care that may affect the costs of procedures for dental patients. Dental filling prices in Turkey. Turkey is now an increasingly sought-after location for dental tourism thanks to its top-quality dental services for a reasonable price. In Turkey, there is a significant savings on dental fillings is considerably lower when compared with Europe, as prices vary between 20 to 80 euro per tooth. The cost savings is just one of the major factors that lead many patients to visit Turkey for treatment at the dentist. The reasons for the low cost of dental fillings and crowns in Turkey include lower cost of labor as well as a reduced cost of living and lower costs of dental materials. In addition, Turkey has invested heavily in its health infrastructure and has a thriving dental tourism business and offers low-cost dental services for local and international patients. Benefits of getting dental fillings in Turkey. There are numerous benefits to receiving dental fillings from Turkey. The first is that the cost savings could be considerable, in particular for those who require several fillings or additional dental procedures. Furthermore, Turkey is known for excellent dental treatment and state-of-the-art dental facilities that give patients assurance that they're getting top-quality treatments. In addition, a lot of dental facilities within Turkey provide English-speaking service as well as cater to patients from abroad and make receiving dental fillings overseas effortless and easy. In addition, Turkey is a beautiful country that has a rich history. It is the ideal place to mix the benefits of dental care with a trip. Dental fillings cost. The price of fillings for dental purposes in Europe is significantly more costly in comparison to Turkey and makes Turkey an attractive choice in order to lower the cost of dental treatments without sacrifice on high quality. Thanks to its reasonable rates, quality care, and its convenient location, Turkey has emerged as a popular location for dental tourism. No matter if you're seeking a simple filling or a series of fillings, you should consider looking into the choices for treatment in Turkey for affordable and secure dental treatments. Your smile will appreciate it to the world. Who want affordable solutions to their dental needs, but without sacrificing high quality? Thanks to its low-cost treatment options, the highest standards of treatment, an array of services, and an unbeatable journey, Turkey has everything you want to get a strong and stunning smile. Don't put off getting your teeth fixed. Make use of Turkey's expanding dental tourism business and start your quest to improve oral health today.